So what's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So AI tools have been really going crazy, and if you are not yet aware of it, we have AI which is able to do virtually everything. And so today I'm going to be showing you another amazing thing AI is able to do. And basically in this video we are going to be looking at a tool which allows you to convert images into videos. You heard that right. So this tool is going to allow you to convert a simple flat image into a realistic video. So it's quite amazing the things AI is capable of doing, and this is just one of them. So today we are going to be looking at this tool, and to have access to this tool you just want to head straight away to image to video AI. So image to video AI in one word.io, and you're going to have access to this tool. So this tool is free, but it has some daily limits. You can only run it 3 times in a day, but you can work your way around that with a VPN. So just change your location and you'll be able to run it an infinite amount of time. So let me show you how this works. So basically you're going to upload a simple image like you see in this preview, and it's going to convert it into a realistic video. So as you can see here, from that image we have this video that is popping up. So you might think to yourself, this is just a landscape, this could just be a zoom effect, but you are not totally correct. So we're going to apply it to a random image and you're going to see the result. So straight away, let's go ahead, let's get an image. So I have this random image I just found, a random image of a man standing in the field. We are going to make it into a rectangular shape. It just supports rectangular shapes for now. I think there's also a vertical shape, but I think I'll go with rectangular shape as well. So this horizontal shape is going to be enough. We're going to just resize it, and we'll try to put the person at the center. So once we do that, we confirm, and now our image has been loaded onto the website. Now down below we have our prompts. What do we want this image to do? What do we want this person in this image to do? Or what do we want to see happening in this image? You can write anything you want down here, and the AI is going to interpret that and try to generate a video out of that image. So you can even introduce new characters, or you can introduce new objects, but generally I just like going with the person and making the person do some actions. If you try to do too many crazy things, it's not going to work very well, or it will not be realistic. So let's just go with a simple prompt. The man is waving his hands goodbye. So just something simple like that. This person is just going to wave goodbye. So we'll go ahead and click on generate. So we'll try again. So go ahead and click on generate, and it's going to take a couple of seconds at best, and to the worst is going to take a couple of minutes to generate the video. So from my experience, it takes about 1 to 2 minutes to generate a video, and when it comes out it's perfectly good. So it does this in one try. It's going to give you the video and try to perform what the prompt you put in asks it to do. So we're going to wait for it to complete. Okay, so after a couple of minutes it is done generating the video, and here on the right side you're going to see the preview. So we went with 5 seconds, but you can change that to 10 seconds. You only have these 2 options for now, 5 and 10, but the 10 seconds is behind a paid wall, so you have to pay for the pro version to have those 10 seconds. And keep in mind, we didn't have to sign in or create an account or anything. We just did that without signing in. But let's go ahead and check out the video that has been generated from our prompt. So remember, we uploaded a simple image and we said the man is waving his hands goodbye, and so let's see the video that came out of that. So straight away from the start we have our image. When we click play, now you can see the amazing results this has produced. So it's just 5 seconds, but you already see the amazing results that this has produced. So I don't know if you can really get the full grasp of what we are seeing right now. So from a simple image we're able to recreate a video. So that's amazing. Think about all your old pictures. Think about the pictures you have from maybe people who have passed away or people you have never met. You can get them to maybe act or do some actions. That's really interesting, and this is really a powerful tool. Obviously there are some mistakes. You can see in the video his legs are kind of going through the leaves, he's keeping a smile, his face is stiff, his body moves slowly and things like that. Definitely there are those errors that can easily identify. But think about 1 year ago, we didn't even have realistic video generated by AI, but after a year we already have realistic videos generated by AI, and a lot of those are already fully functional. But the reason they haven't been deployed is because people can easily use them to do all sorts of evil things. So that's why they're still being limited. But here you have it. We are able to create some amazing things. This in and of itself is impressive, but it's also dangerous, because you can imagine how many bad things people can do with this. But this is just impressive. Let's just stick to how innovative and how amazing this is. So from a simple image, we're able to create a video. So using this tool, which is free, you're able to create a 5 seconds video. So check it out. We got him to wave his hands. Let's try to get him to do something else. So let's try to get him to do something else. Let's say the man sits down, for example. We'll go ahead and click on generate. Okay, now so we run the second prompt. The man sits down, so something simple to do. So we'll now see the results of that. Let's go ahead and check that out. So if we play this, and so we can see the man does what the prompt says. So this is very, very interesting. The man literally does what the prompt says. The man sits down. Obviously, it's in the field. He wasn't going to sit on the floor and things like that. But you can already see, just from a simple image and a simple prompt, we can create an amazing video. So imagine if this prompt was much more detailed. Imagine if this prompt was asking for something much more crazy, maybe jumping, dancing, and all whatnot. And if we had way more time on our hands, then that could have been really, really interesting. So there you have it, guys. With AI, you are able to generate videos from still images. So go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and try it out on your images. Try to avoid doing anything too crazy, and let me know. Maybe it works very well for you. Let me know. Tag me in your videos, in your pictures and everything. Let me see what you are able to create with this tool. So definitely check it out before it gets paid. Right now, I think the pricing is set at $10 averagely, and $50 for much more credits, a longer duration. Yeah, but go ahead and check it out. See what you can do, see what you can create, and let me know what you think about it. I see there are other generators, script to video. Maybe you can enter a script and it will generate a video. I've not had the chance to test that out, but you can go ahead and test that out as well. So there you have it, guys. An amazing tool that allows you to convert images into video. I don't know about you, but I am impressed. So definitely check it out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.